Sage, girl, I'm bald. It's gone.
Hey guys, it's TheCurlySage and welcome back to another video. So as you can see in the title, I'm going to be dyeing my hair. Don't come for me, guys. It's been a year since I dyed it this color and I'm just missing dark hair. I don't want to go jet black, but I want to go back to dark. I've just been looking at pictures of people with like dark hair and I'm just like, I just miss having dark hair, so I'm going to be dyeing it dark. I'm not going to be using like a regular box hair dye because those are obviously a chemical. It's very damaging. I'm going to be using hair dye, but it's not as damaging because it doesn't have peroxide in it. So I'm going to be using a door. And I've used this before to dye like some of my wigs and it works really good. So I have experience with this hair dye and it's peroxide free, so it's not going to be as damaging as like a box dye. These are semi-permanent, but for every wig I've dyed using this, it doesn't fade. I think that just might be because I'm dyeing it like a dark color. Probably if you use a lighter color, then it'll fade, but with dark, I haven't had any experience of it fading, so yeah. But since I don't want jet black hair, I just want dark hair. I want it to be like a natural, like dark brownish kind of color. So I got two darkest browns and then I got one mocha. Just because I tried like a test patch of the darkest brown on my wig. And it was a nice color, but it was too dark for me. Like it looked black. Not jet black, but black. So I'm just going to mix two darkest brown and one mocha to see what kind of color I can get with that. And I obviously bought way more than I need for my head. But that's just because I'm going to be dyeing my wig too. I probably won't show that, but I'm going to be dyeing my wig, like my go-to wig that I wear when I'm too lazy to do my hair. And I'm dyeing that just so it can match my new hair color, because right now it matches this color. I've been wanting to dye my hair back to dark for a while now, maybe like a month. I know that's not long, but like that's long for me because when I want to do something, I want to do it like right now. So I waited a month and I still want to do it, so I'm going to do it, and let's just do this.
You're always around, your celly is down, you're settling down now. You're always in my ears, but you're never there. You're never there when I need you most. I need you now, I need you to find out. I need you right now, you and me, baby. Music is playing, please do not play me. Just rock with me, baby. You're never there when I need you the most. I gave my whole life to you, I'm devoted. I'm devoted, I'm devoted, I'm devoted. Repeat it 4 times so you get it. Can't finish a line, it's pathetic. You're the reason my life's poetic. I swear to God it's a new era. Already planned a wedding, I put a ring on my dreams. Music and me are engaged, I'm writing a story with you. I'm still reading, you turning the page. You made me go through the worst, you made me fall for my vices. I did not give you this ring for the hell of it. This is not solo, it's fellowship. I can't see Frodo in photos, so pick up the phone, let me hear instead. You're my drug, need another hit. From up above like thunder is. I know you're free like a dove. Come give a real nigga love. You're always stuck in the club, always fucking with lames. Do your damn thing, do your thing a thing. I'm always around. You're always around. You're always around. Your celly is down, you're settling down now. You're always in my ears, but you're never there. You're never there when I need you most. I need you now, I need you to find out. I need you right now, you and me, baby. Music is playing, please do not play me. Just rock with me, baby. You're always around, your celly is right there. You're always in my Miami, always around. Music is playing, was busy getting racks when that king tried to come back. Told the bitch I'm cool without you. Busy getting racks up, stacks up, tracks up. Told her like, bitch I'm cool without you. Told her watch out, watch out. Watch me conquer, watch me conquer. Had your chance, yeah, fuck your chance up. Watch me conquer, watch me conquer. Ay, bitch, I'm cool with you. I can do without you. I got 99 less problems without you. Without you, I'm like Tupac by the lock.
This is what it's looking like, so I'm back to black. I just have it in a puff right now and my hair is still kind of wet. So yeah, I dyed my hair and it doesn't feel dry or anything because, as I said, those hair dyes don't have peroxide in it, so it just feels exactly the same. One of the reasons I wanted to dye it was because anytime I were to put my hair into a high puff, when I had my blondish hair color, I just didn't like how it looked because like my roots were growing out, so no blonde was showing at like the roots. So I would just have a high puff with black and then like a blonde puff. It just looked so weird to me. So this is actually like a bit over a month later and this is the exact color I wanted. So like, you know when your hair is black but then the sun kind of makes the ends a bit brown, that's exactly what I kind of got. So it did fade a bit, but it faded into a really nice like chocolate dark brown color on the end, which I really like. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, it's TheCurlySage signing out. Peace.